Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Vinyl Siding Restorer is probably one of the most sought-after products for homeowners looking to revitalize the exterior of their houses, and in this video, we will explore the top-rated vinyl siding restorers available on the market, comparing their features, benefits, and ease of application, helping you choose the perfect product to restore your vinyl siding's original beauty and protect it from further damage, ultimately saving you money and enhancing your home's curb appeal. Number 5. Rejuvenate Color Restorer. Say goodbye to faded and sun-damaged outdoor possessions. It's here to bring back their vibrant color and protect them from future wear and tear. Simply wipe it on to revitalize your outdoor surfaces. It's that easy. It works wonders on vinyl, plastic, rubber, stone, fiberglass, metal, and more. Use it on everything from car bumpers to outdoor furniture. Always test it in an inconspicuous area first. Apply in a cool, shaded, dry area, and never apply to a hot surface. It provides long-lasting protection against oxidation, fading, and sun damage, keeping your outdoor items looking their best. With Rejuvenate, you can easily restore and protect your valuable outdoor possessions. Get yours today. What we like. It's incredibly easy to apply, simply wipe it on. This product works on a variety of surfaces, protecting them from the damaging effects of the sun. If you need a quick, effective solution for multiple outdoor items, this is the one for you. What people say. The application process couldn't be simpler. The liquid comes in a convenient bottle with a squirt cap, making it easy to apply directly onto the surface. I used a cloth to spread it evenly, and within minutes, the surface started to look noticeably better. One of the most impressive aspects of the Rejuvenate Outdoor Color Restorer is its instant effectiveness. As soon as I applied it, the color began to come back to life. My once faded furniture looked vibrant and new again. After using the product, I noticed that the restored surfaces are not only vibrant but also have a protective coating that helps resist further sun damage and oxidation. The results have lasted through several rainstorms and intense sunlight, maintaining the fresh, rejuvenated look. Number 4. Shutter Renu Kit. It restores the original color and rejuvenates faded shutters, patio furniture, and more. This eco-friendly formula lasts for 10 years. It's the original color restorer, a winner of multiple Best of awards and recommended by major manufacturers. It's the best way to protect your outdoor surfaces. It works on nearly any exterior surface, from vinyl and plastic shutters to exterior doors, wicker furniture, and more. This all-purpose restorer will save your shutters and more. It's water-based and powerful enough to reverse the effects of age and UV damage, making your outdoor items look new again. It's gentle on the environment too. This kit includes a premium cleaner, enough treatment for up to 8 shutters or 45 square feet, a brush, and gloves. You'll have everything you need to get started. Clean, restore, and relax. It will make your shutters and outdoor surfaces look brand new and protected with SPF 100 UV and stain block technology for a decade. It penetrates deeply and restores color to plastics, metals, aluminum, wood, painted surfaces, and more. Use the included brush or a hand mitt for application. We're the inventors, manufacturers, and sellers, so we can help you with your unique project. Call, email, or text us anytime. What we like. Get 10+ years of protection with this eco-friendly formula. It comes with everything you need to get started, making the project simple and straightforward. If you value long-lasting results and environmental consciousness, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. My shutters are 20 years old, were whitish, streaked and looked awful, and they now look brand new. The many before and after pictures are totally accurate. With each coat the appearance improved. Well, not only do they look better than the freshly painted shutters across the street, they look better than they did when they were new. Number 3. Vinyl Renu Restorer. It's the original siding restorer that brings back your siding's original color and beauty. Enjoy a brand new look that lasts for over 10 years. It acts like SPF 100 sunscreen, shielding your siding from harmful UV rays. This keeps your siding looking vibrant and protects it from fading. It prevents ugly green stains from forming on your siding, keeping it looking clean and fresh. Say goodbye to unsightly discoloration. The kit includes our powerful cleaner to remove oxidation, chalkiness, and stains before application. It's the perfect prep for a flawless finish. It's a simple weekend project. Just clean, let it dry, and apply with a brush or sprayer. No sanding, priming, or messy cleanup needed. It revitalizes more than just siding, it works wonders on garage doors, patio furniture, and any faded exterior surface. Transform your entire home's exterior. It not only restores color but also protects your surfaces from future damage. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and protection for years to come. What we like. This product boasts 10+ years of protection and will restore your siding to its original color. The complete kit makes application a breeze. If you're looking for a long-term solution that brings back the original beauty of your siding, this is it. What people say. The results are amazing and our siding looks brand new. It has a nice satin sheen and dirt, leaves etc. don't stick to it and water beads on it, and runs off quickly. After ensuring a thorough cleaning and a full drying time after the cleaning, the results are spectacular. I sprayed the product on and the siding looks like new, restoring color and shine. It is obvious the product is on the siding because of the intense shine. Number 2. Renovadolt Restorer. It's a highly concentrated formula, using German advanced nanotechnology, to restore your faded and sun-damaged outdoor possessions. It's like having a renovation doctor for your outdoor spaces. This water-based formula penetrates deep to reverse the effects of age and UV damage. It will bring your outdoor furniture back to life, instantly. One 16.5-ounce bottle covers a large area, up to 800,1000 square feet. It provides rich color restoration and protection that lasts for 6 to 12 months or more. It works on a variety of surfaces, including vinyl, plastic, stone, fiberglass, aluminum, metal, and painted surfaces. It protects against oxidation, fading, and damage from sun, salt, and water. Just wipe it on to protect your outdoor surfaces. Remember to test it in an inconspicuous area first, and apply in a cool, shaded, dry area. Never apply to a hot surface. What we like. This product uses advanced nanotechnology for superior performance and is suitable for a wide range of surfaces. It offers long-lasting protection, keeping your outdoor items looking their best. If you want a powerful, versatile solution for many surfaces, choose this one. What people say. Easy to apply, no mess to clean up, dries to a beautiful, like new finish on my 20-year-old vinyl shutters. I'm stunned at how well this product works. I have a vinyl fence manufactured to have a wood plank look that was beginning to fade due to the harsh sun we have in Florida. After applying only a single application, the faded areas of my fence look like brand new. The product also seems to hold up well to various weather conditions. I used this product to restore my 20-year-old hunter green shutters. My shutters were severely faded and chalked. I applied the product using a microfiber cloth and within minutes an entire shutter can be completed and restored to its original bright color as you can see in the photos. I did 10 sets of shutters and still have half of a bottle left. I would highly recommend this product. Number 1. Seal It Green Renu. It's the premium siding restorer that lasts for over 10 years. It will restore your siding's original color and beauty, making it look brand new. It acts like an SPF 100 sunscreen, protecting your siding from harmful UV rays and keeping those ugly green stains away. This ensures your siding stays vibrant and protected. The kit includes our Renu Cleaner Concentrate, specially formulated to remove oxidation, chalkiness, and stains, preparing your siding for perfect restoration. It's a simple weekend project. Just clean, let it dry, and apply with a brush or sprayer. No sanding, priming, or messy cleanup needed. It's perfect for restoring and protecting faded garage doors, patio furniture, and almost any exterior surface. Bring new life to your entire home's exterior. This product rejuvenates and protects colored vinyl surfaces, giving them a renewed look and long-lasting protection against fading. It's the ultimate solution for restoring your home's curb appeal. What we like. Get superior, long-lasting protection for your siding with this product, restoring it to its original color. The large 5-gallon kit is perfect for larger projects. If you need a large quantity for a big job and want lasting results, this is your best bet. What people say. The vinyl Renu not only brought back the siding colors, it remains clean, it does not hold the dirt, and doesn't seem to attract it like it used to. Sort of like putting Rain-X on a windshield, it fills in the porous, oxidized siding leaving a smooth surface. After it dried it honestly looks like new vine siding was installed. No more faded, dull coloring. The cleaner was amazing. My husband and I applied the product with a brush as we didn't have an airless spray gun. It was so easy and boy, does it ever make the siding look like brand new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.